Hi there, and thank you for taking a look at Samsara. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive into how Samsara helps plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and other home and commercial field service companies improve their operations. We'll cover how Samsara can improve service transparency, control fleet costs that impact your margin, automate field tasks for your technicians, and keep your technicians safe while they're on the road. Let's start with the hardware that powers our field services solution. Samsara provides a compact vehicle telematics gateway that can install in any vehicle in minutes, without any technical training or any alterations to the vehicle. The vehicle gateway collects data from your vehicle such as real-time GPS location, fuel levels, speeding, harsh events, fault codes, and engine diagnostics. It can also act as a high-speed Wi-Fi hotspot for your technicians' mobile devices. The dash cam plugs directly into the vehicle gateway. If the dash cam is unplugged or obstructed, you'll receive a notification in your Samsara dashboard. Dash cams can be either dual-facing or front-facing only, and use edge computing and AI to capture safety events such as rolling stops, distracted driving, collisions, and more, which are then uploaded directly to the Samsara dashboard. So now that you know a bit about our IoT hardware, let's talk about how Samsara can help improve the service transparency you provide to your end customers. This is the Samsara dashboard. From here, you can view where your technicians are in real time, which means you no longer need to call or text your drivers for updates on where they are. You can also overlay live traffic information to find out if one of your technicians is stuck in traffic on their way to a job site. To reduce customer questions about ETAs, you can share the location of your technicians directly with your end customers via a live sharing link. This creates a URL that you can share with your customers via text or email and shows the technician's ETA and location in real time. A common challenge is knowing when your technicians arrived at a customer site and the duration of their work. Using the time on site report, you can replace unreliable paper records and speed up the billing cycle with data-backed time on site reports that ensure you are billing for the time-related services accurately. If you receive a dispute from a customer in providing service or a complaint about one of your vehicles in the field, you can use proximity search to quickly investigate. Simply put in the date and address in question, and you can retrieve video and location evidence to share directly with your customers. Next, let's take a look at improving your margins by managing fleet costs. Fuel costs can be one of the major drags on your company's margins. Using the Fuel and Energy Report, you can view the fuel efficiency of your fleet and identify which vehicles are costing you the most in fuel. You can also calculate vehicle CO2 emissions for environmental impact initiatives. Using the Driver Efficiency Report, you can identify driver habits that are causing fuel waste, such as idling, speeding, and high torque activities like harsh acceleration. You can track these behaviors over time and identify coaching opportunities for your technicians to reduce fuel waste. To stay ahead of vehicle issues and increase the lifespan of your fleet, you can view engine fault codes remotely as soon as they occur. You can also view fault code history to see if this is a recurring problem on this vehicle. And finally, you can set up automated text or email alerts for when a fault code triggers so your team can take action before the fault becomes a larger, more costly issue. The best way to prevent engine issues from even happening is to have an automated preventative maintenance program. You can take the guesswork out of service intervals by using the preventative maintenance schedule. This report allows you to set alerts for oil changes, brake inspections, and more by date, odometer, or engine hours. Electric vehicles are coming, and a major challenge can be knowing which vehicles are suitable for EV replacement. Using the Fleet Electrification Report, you can automatically identify which of your vehicles are suitable for electrification based on their average daily range, and you can estimate the fuel cost savings of replacing an ICE vehicle with an EV. Now that we've covered how to reduce fleet costs, let's talk about reducing the time your technicians spend on paper-based tasks while they're in the field. Samsara provides a free, intuitive mobile app for Apple and Android devices that centralizes key functions your technicians need to access in the field, including routes, messaging, and even documents. Instead of wasting time filling out paper forms and then bringing them back to the office, you can build custom forms for your technicians that can capture key data such as time and date, images to show proof of service, job notes, customer signatures, and more. Once submitted by the technician, your office can access them instantly from the Samsara dashboard. To streamline the many tasks your technicians complete on a daily basis, you can build custom workflows that guide your technicians through tasks such as selecting a vehicle, completing a safety inspection, reviewing a work order, and more through the app. Finally, before we wrap up, let's cover how you can reduce insurance costs and protect your technicians while they're on the road. Samsara's high-definition, AI-powered dash cams capture and instantly upload footage to the cloud that can be used to exonerate your technicians if they are involved in an accident or accused of false claims. To prevent accidents proactively, you can gamify safe driving habits by providing your drivers safety scores, which rates them on safety events such as rolling stops, distracted driving, speeding, harsh braking, and more. If your technicians are showing unsafe behaviors such as tailgating or looking at their phone while driving, these safety events will be surfaced automatically in your safety inbox. You can then review the footage and coach your drivers on safer driving behaviors using high-quality evidence. Through the safety report, you can track your team's safety performance over time, and you can export these reports to share with your insurance broker and lower your insurance premiums. These were just a few examples of how Samsara can help reduce costs and improve service transparency for home and commercial field service companies. To learn more, go to samsara.com/pricing and get in touch with us today.